Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Was Solution, and I'm Mohammed Islam here to show you how to withdraw your earnings from Upwork to Payoneer. In my previous tutorial I showed you how to earn money with Upwork, and in this tutorial I will show you how we can withdraw our earnings from Upwork to Payoneer. So let's start our tutorial. So we have to go to our browser first. This page, this is a Gmail page, and this is our Upwork landing page. After login, default page is find work, how we can find our work, and let's see our my job. In this tab, we can see our earning available now. If we see our notification, today's notification at 6:13 a.m. Great news, you got paid early. Your available balance is now 445.95 USD. And also in the same time, it was notified me with email, and we can see this is the email. At the same time, your payments are available early. Upwork Inc. Are project based and time based. All details are there. So as I will withdraw my earning from Upwork to Payoneer, so I have to log into Payoneer first, and this is Payoneer login.payoneer.com, and we need to use our credential, email, and password, then sign in. Now we can see our in our Payoneer landing page their available balance is 66.87, and after withdrawing our money it will be increased soon. So to see our earnings, we can see overview under reports, and this is my ongoing this week. And last payment last week I made withdrawal money about 332.21 US dollar, and this week earning is 445.95. Actually there is no pending, no review. This money was under review uh, from Monday to Friday morning, and there is no pending because I am a top rated freelancer. As a top rated freelancer, Upwork owner, top rated freelancer, there will be no additional pending time. So all earnings from Monday to Sunday, all our earnings will be available on Friday morning and the same time as my time zone. Okay, so if I would like to get paid from this, we can withdraw our money from my job page or from available balance, wherever we like. Here we can see a notification that a balance greater than $1,000 will be automatically sent April 26. So as our earnings is less than $1,000, so we have to manually make our withdrawal. So at first we have to go to get paid now. Now it needs verification. Available balance is 445.95 US dollar, and we have to select our withdrawal method. There are three withdrawal methods I have already added. First one is Payoneer card. Second one is bank account ending in 7012. This is my US bank account, and Das Bangla Bank account ending 9782. This is my Bangladeshi bank account. So as I need to I utilize my US dollar for my personal uses. So I will transfer or make my withdrawal to Payoneer, and there is an option I can use entire whole money 445.95 US dollar, or I can withdraw partial amount. So I have to select other amount here. For example, I can withdraw $200, but my charges of $2 will be the same always. So I would like to withdraw my all money. So no partial amount. So just I need to, you are about to send 443.95 to your Payoneer account. Let's check again. My Payoneer balance is 66.87, and after clicking on get paid now, my withdrawal is being completed. So this one, this is an extra layer of security. It asks me to enter the password. So my password is saved. So I just select from my saved password and continue. Yes, my withdrawal is completed. Withdrawal Payoneer account card, withdrawal amount 445, charges 2 US dollar. Total amount I will receive 443.95 US dollar. There may be a notification soon. You requested to pay payment of 443.95 from Upwork via Payoneer Mastercard, 11:15 p.m. So this is the time I have made my withdrawal. It will take a few minutes to be available on Payoneer because it needs get approval. So I just reloading my Payoneer account, and yes, now it gets into 510.982 US dollar. So transaction is my available here, so I can click on this, and my transaction history is here available to charges. This is my transaction. So in this way we can earn our money on Upwork and withdraw our money from Upwork to Payoneer. We will also be notified with our email very soon. Actually, this email may take some time, but we will receive certainly the notification same as your request. This word will be in our email. So in this way, we can make our withdrawal from Upwork to Payoneer. So next tutorial, we will show you another topic. For now, have a great day. Happy working. I wish you a good luck. Thank you.